A researcher wants to study the effects of sleep deprivation on motor skills. 9 people volunteer for the experiment: Amanda, Brian, Christine, David, Emily, Fred, George, Heather, and Ivan. Use the second row of digits in the random number table below to select a simple random sample of 3 subjects. Ignore zeros. The other 6 subjects will go into the control group. If the subjects are numbered 1 through 9 alphabetically, what are the numbers of the 3 subjects selected? List the subjects that will go in the treatment group. Okay, when we're using a random number table to select a simple random sample, we need to assign numbers to our samples. So for instance, for Amanda, we'll assign the number 1, Brian will be 2, Christine will be 3, David will be 4, Emily is 5, Fred is 6, George is 7, Heather is 8, and Ivan will be 9. And then it says, in the problem, use the second row of digits in the random number table below. Well, this is our random number table down here. And notice that it says line here, but in the problem it says row. So we'll just simply change that to row and column. And so we're going to start with the second row. And we're going to go to our first set of numbers, which is right here. And since we want to use the second row to select a simple random sample of 3 subjects, we're just going to go ahead and look at the 1, the 6, and the 9. So these will be our random number choices. And then we will use those numbers to select first Amanda, then Fred, and then Ivan. So these will be the names in our random sample: Amanda, Fred, Ivan. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you had had more than 9 people in the sample, for example, let's say you had 22 people in the sample, you would have had to go with the first 2 digits in order to understand or look at breaking it up into digits, and then we would use the 0 as part of that. But for this one, this is exactly how we do the problem.